Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how you can replace this full Honda Civic headlight console unit, this big part, and how this job happens. And really for that job we have to take this front bumper away, and let's go to look at how this job goes forward. I will show both sides, this right and left side, that how we replace that headlight housing and how this process works. And now we are in right side. Okay, and this housing elements removal is quite easy. We need to only find this 1, 2 and 3 bolts in that area, 10mm bolts, and there is one Phillips head screw in here. We have to remove these bolts firstly, and then we go in that another area. There are more bolts to open. In this up area there is first 10mm bolt what I need to open, and then we go in this down area in here. Here we have first bolt is hidden in here in that area, and one of these bolts is in down area in here. This is really bad in here, difficult to find. And now when we open these all bolts, then this housing is free. And I start this my job in that another side area. Okay, and there is really Phillips head screwdriver, and I take firstly this screw away in here. There is this screw, this is first one, and then there are those two bolts in here, and note that there is small plastic dent. Okay, and 10mm bolts, and note that there are those plastic dents. Open this carefully. This is first bolt and then second. And now these parts, look, I have to bend carefully, otherwise I can damage these things. And now we go in another side. And now there is really a situation that these bolts, what keeps this housing, one of is in here down area. This is really bad position to open. That. Okay, now this bolt opens, good, and then second is in here. And also similar bolts in there. And now this steel housing is moving, and then we have one bolt left in here, 10mm. And now this bolt is similar, 3 similar bolts. And now this housing, this is free in here, good. And now I can move this my light also, that one. Okay, and now we have to be carefully, because there are two those small plastic those dents, and that's when I take this part away. Now it's free, good. And after that I can pull out this headlight. Now I am checking that it's still like a little bit lock. There's one, maybe one. Yes, there's one bolt is still in place. And there is really one bolt what locks, and it is hidden. It is in here, that one. They are inside. Let's go to look that can we see. Yes, there is one 10mm bolt and I have to take that bolt away. There is one bolt left and it is like hidden in here. And then I need pliers and there is one final bolt in here. Good. Okay, and now this headlight housing is finally free and we can go to look that back area also, because here we have these bolts what we have to replace when we are doing the servicing, and let's go to look through this. And now we have this our headlight housing, and here are all of these bulbs what we need to replace. This is firstly parking bulb, this is headlight beam bulb, and this is low beam bulb, and in here we have one this flasher bulb. It should be in here. Let's look at where we find that, but let's start this job. Okay, firstly I open this high beam and these bulbs open, so that I need to rotate that little bit in here, and these are tight. Look, tight, and now this part opens. And there is not much this space, and there is this high beam bulb, and when we look at type, I press this central area and I pull out this bulb, and these are really tight, these connectors. Okay, and now we can see that what is this type. And here is really this high beams bulb, and there is this type, and it looks like that it is HB3 is this type. And when we check that this is my current one, it is okay, because there inside in this glass this cable is solid. Okay, and this is really high beam light, and there is this type. Okay, then we take next bulb. Next bulb is in here, and this is maybe flasher bulb. Yes, there is flasher bulb, and in that way I can take this flasher bulb away, and this is really, we can look also this type. There is text in that what it looks like, and we can purchase these new bulbs from Honda dealership center, or then if we tell Stanley 12 volts W 12 watts is this type, and this is really front flasher bulb. And when we look inside, we can see that this inner area's cable is solid, and that means that this is fine. The next bulb is in here, this parking light bulb, and it is like a little bit hidden, and there is this parking light bulb, and when we take that away, this is the standard 5, there is this standard, I believe that, let's look even closer. Now we can look, this is the standard 205 volts this bulb, and maybe we can see this type in here, but this is standard, this small 2 or 5 watts bulbs. And that one is okay because the central area is in fine in this my bulb. Okay, and I install this bulb back. This is the park-like bulb, and this goes in that hole, and only rotation and it's fine. And this was high beam bulb, and this is then this headlight, front headlights, this height level adjusting motor, this one, that device. Using this motor, these lights goes down and up. And then we have left this low beam headlight, and now I open this connector, and then when I rotate that, there is this front low beam, this headlight bulb, and then we look this type. Okay, and then we look the type. There is Philips is maker, and then we should can we see in this type there is this H. I take more light. We can see this type. I check that in. And this is HP4 low beam headlight bulb. HP4. Now I install that back. Firstly in their inner, and then rotation. Now it's in position. This goes nicely in these holes. Look, this is difficult to. And then rotation, and then I install this connector. Okay, now this part is back. Excellent. Now we have replaced all of these bulbs, and we can install this headlight console back in this position. Okay, and then this headlight housing and console installation back. Couple of very important things. Start in that bolt in here, and note that there are those specific plastic dents in there. And these are really interesting. And these dents are these small parts in here. That one, this black one in here. Look, do not broke these, because otherwise this headlight is not in right position. And then there's second similar in this side area. Then in this headlight housing installation, that there are really unique Hondas, these plastic dents. With these dents there are two what goes this steel frame, and these are really important because otherwise our headlight housing is in wrong position. Look these can go broken very easily. This is Honda's engineering.